Hey guys, what's going on? This is my dad's 2000 Chevy Silverado. I'm about to do a cold start on it. Yeah, steering wheel's upside down a little bit. It has 201,671 miles on it. Not much info about it, you know. It was a work truck for a while. So, sorry the camera's shaky. There's the steering wheel up. Because they're probably wondering what that ticking is. That's the lifters haven't been to lifted yet. But it sounds pretty good. For a dual exhaust. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoy the video. This is my Silverado. My dad's Silverado. So, we haven't had any problems with it yet. We haven't had any problems with this yet, which usually a lot of people do. This is the original key. Yeah, everything's original except for the front bumper up there and the exhaust. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video, I guess.